before, after. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show how to make floating text on Capcut. Let's begin. Tap new project. Select your video. Tap extract audio. Click stock videos and tap black video. Add audio with black video. And delete first clip. Tap next and select auto captions. Select your favorite font. Customize your text. And export video. Tap again new project. Select the text video. Tap motion blur. Blur 80. Blend 10. Direct both. Time 6 times. Click effects and video effects. Search edge glow effects. Export video. Tap again new project. Select your main video. Click overlay. Select the text video. Customize your text. Tap blend and select filter. Your video is ready. Thanks for watching.